Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be learning how to craft joy by a baby boy announcement design. We come here first, we go to a new website today, allfreedownload.com and just type baby. So you get this thing. Here we don't need to credit anybody, nothing. It is purely 100% free. You select whatever you want and you download and it's free to use. Now second is airplane. Let's look at airplane. We take this one. Okay, and this is also good. Fine. Now let's go to a free pick baby. Now here it's giving me images. We go into vectors and we take this first one and it's by free pick. We need to credit them. So it's always depends on what you're doing. Sometimes you might have to give it something that's not there. Okay, I'm sorry I forgot to credit that previous one, but you can obviously see the name. Now we type airplane cartoon and clouds. We take this collection. Again, this is from our free website, all free downloads. Don't need to credit anybody for that, just the website. Yeah, so yeah, I think okay, we downloaded a lot of clouds. Never mind. Let's get back. And now after extracting all these zip files and making them into one folder, this is what I get. So keep what you want, delete the rest. You might not want everything, they just give it as a set. You just keep what you want, delete the rest. Yeah, okay, this is a good set. We keep the plane and we keep the cloud. Great. Fine. So this is good. Yeah, this is fine. Keep this, come your power clip, put this in and let this be your. Now let's fill up our space with similar colors. This is all broken. Now this happens in CorelDraw because some files are locked via AI or Adobe Illustrator, and over here it has this problem. So never mind, we will work beyond it. We will not play with that at all. We will not play with it. We will just play with what we need to work on. Okay, so this is it. You see that blend, great. Okay, so it's blended well. Now we need a ground. So let our ground be like this, and it's too solid. Let's increase the transparency. Yeah, okay, fine. The baby is ground. That is the, so that's how we make it. Okay, now we take this, ungroup them, take this first one. What happened? Okay, this hair of this Twitter bird is coming in between. Okay, some feathers of the head. Ungroup them and take the plane of your choice. Keep it here. Delete the rest. Okay, and now we save it. Welcome baby artwork. Okay, come here and use your Bezier tool to create this. Then we are going to, let's take a 2-point line tool. Come here, create nodes in between and do this. So make it a curve and give it a slight curve, and at 20 point we group them and center align them to this the holder where we will be holding the Bezier tool. Now after making these straight lines, we use a smart fill tool and fill it with a color of our choice. Select this, select the outline and make it 1.5 point. So you have a good, nice outer background. Now take this font of our Sina, AR Sina, and it's a boy. Okay, and we put it or place it on top of the line and nudge it down. So we come perfectly here. Don't worry, this will also move. Okay, because it's attached to that line. The font will also move because it's attached. So let's make this bigger and give it a cut. Yeah, let's give this cut. Great. So this is the announcement and our airplane is doing it. And we welcome baby, we just let it be because that also looks nice. Okay. Now I think this is a little too big. Let it make 210 by 210. Yeah. So extract all the contents, group what is needed and put it back there. And now we work around this way. Okay. So we have a same amount of ground and this is also working fine. Yeah, great. Now let's take the toys that we have downloaded. Take the pram, enlarge it. Make sure that it's in proportion with the baby. Everything you're doing, they always make it big, small, whatever. You have to make it in proportion with the baby. Okay. Come here. Let's delete all the shadows. They are not required. Okay. Yeah. Rotate this because it's on the floor. This is also on the floor. Make it small because it's a circular. This can be of this side and let's make a baby little bigger. Okay. Yeah. So everything is in proportion with the baby, the pram, toys, everything. Okay. Now we are going to make an announcement board. So this is how you make a badge or an announcement board. You can even call this a badge. We are going to be making a badge. So we connect this. You get this slide arrow and you connect it. Now take a circle, make it an arc and rotate the arc to where you want it. Yeah, and make it an arc all over again. Now select this and group. No, I think let's not group it. Okay, let's group it and rotate it at 90 degrees. Okay, so this is what we get. Okay, match it somewhere. Select this ungroup weld. Ungroup weld. So you weld all of them. So all our lines are weld. Okay, this is yet a line. You can see this. This is not an. Now you take your virtual segment delete and delete the excessive part. Now we are working in wireframe because this actually allows you to work in wireframe. So when we use a wire line, not a 0.5 line, that's what we get. Now rotate it to 180 degrees. So 0, 180, 240. And then last is again 0, that is 360. So therefore all these three will match if you rotate it the right way. Okay. So mathematics plays a very important part. 360 divided by 3 is 120. Okay. And this is rotated where you check it. 45 degrees is right. Perfect center we are getting. Put it here. Okay. Now what we are going to be doing is create an outline. Okay, because this is not allowing us to fill colors because we have welded outlines. So create an outline which closes and this is what you get. Nothing is going to change in this. It's just the outline. So take the baby and put it in right, welcome baby right in the front, and we are now going to give this a color. Let's give red, no. Let's give it a tonal color of red. Okay, red, let's give it a tonal color. So we will give this. Okay, slightly maroonish, brownish tone. Okay, we ungroup this, delete all this, and now let our Twitter birds come here and they will hold it up in the air for us. They are taking a lot of trouble for us and they will hold it. Okay, great. Now, wherever the Twitter birds are there we will be creating a hole. So take this and trim it. Okay, come here and here also. So they are holding this here. Great, fine. Now copy paste this middle string, so it will come on top. Delete the nodes that are unnecessary. Add nodes here. Add nodes where you want to cut. So when you remove the nodes, this is exactly, you will get something like this. Okay, work with the nodes here and pull this up so that it's the same thickness. Okay, now take this knot, because you don't want it, you don't just want this to be there, right? You want this to be knotted there. So let this be knotted there. Great. Now delete the second one, that's not needed. Copy paste, weld, and then flip this here. Don't weld it, sorry. Take this rotation and rotate it exactly to the circle here, and it's complete. Okay, so this is how it is done. So the knot is also done, everything is great. Oh, this was missing, never mind. Okay, so we put it here, copy paste this and make it small so that there is a border, and give it a this lightish peach color. And the center we want this brown only, so we are going to keep the center brown, make the outer one lightish peach, and remove these nodes, I mean these circles, so because we don't need them here. Okay, so that's it. And now let's review our artwork. I think too much baby is happening. Well, it's a boy, welcome baby. Let's work with this. What do we write? Let's say it's a boy. We put it in that font and we put it in this clouds only. Let's put it in the clouds. How does it look? No, it looks, now let's take the same blue color. Yeah, no, it looks weak. Let's make it capital. It's a boy. No, baby boy. Yeah, that's good. Let's write baby boy. Okay, so baby boy is done. So we know the Twitter birds are announcing that it's a baby boy. So it's baby boy. Okay, and let's keep him on the side and let's keep our main thing right on top. Delete this, this is not needed, and keep our airplane here, and we say proud parents Mr. and Mrs. hypothetical, that is Sandra Michael DeMello. I apologize to all my Sandra Michael DeMellos for using the name. Okay, it was unintentional, it's hypothetical, but it also had to look natural. Okay, so this is about it. And then now one side of the plane is yet remaining. Let's put a rocket. Okay, he's a superstar, he's just born, and we are going to be putting a rocket for him. So all free downloads, put here, come here, group this, Make it small, the same size of your previous aeroplane, and rotate it slightly so that that's flying in the air too. And we are now unlock this and give it a no background. And this completes our artwork. My friends, if you like this artwork, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.